Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English with Tom and Anna.
Hi, everyone. I'm Anna, and we are so happy you are here with us again.
And I'm Tom. Thank you so much for coming back to learn English with us.
Today is going to be a really fun lesson because we are talking about 3 very common English words.
That's right. Today we will learn much, many, and more.
I hear these words almost every day, but sometimes I don't know which one to use.
Don't worry. Many English learners feel the same way.
By the end of this lesson, I want to use all 3 words correctly.
And you will. Today we will learn what each word means, why native speakers use them so often, where you hear them in daily life, how to make positive sentences, negative sentences, questions, WH questions, and natural conversations.
Will we also learn common mistakes?
Of course, we will look at wrong sentences and correct them together.
I like that because mistakes help us learn.
Exactly. We will also practice together, answer mini quizzes, and learn easy memory tricks.
That sounds amazing.
So, relax, enjoy the lesson, and let's begin.
Tom, what is the easiest way to understand these 3 words?
Great question. Let's start with many.
Okay.
We use many with things we can count.
Things we can count?
Yes, if you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, then you usually use many.
Can you give some examples?
Of course. Many books.
Many students.
Many apples.
Many cars.
Many friends.
Many questions.
Excellent.
So, books, students, apples, cars, friends, and questions are things we can count.
Exactly. Now, what about much?
We use much with things we cannot count easily.
Can you explain that simply?
Sure. Think about water.
Can I count water?
Not usually.
I can count bottles of water,
Exactly.
but not the water itself.
Oh, I understand.
Here are some examples.
I'm listening.
Much water.
Much money.
Much time.
Much sugar.
Much coffee.
Much milk.
Perfect.
So, these are things we do not count one by one.
Exactly. Now, what about more?
More means an extra amount.
So it means not enough?
Sometimes, yes.
Can you give an example?
Sure. I want more coffee.
That means you want another cup.
Exactly.
Can I say I need more time?
Perfect.
Can I also say we need more chairs?
Yes, that's correct too.
Wait a minute.
Yes?
You said more works with chairs,
Good catch.
but chairs are countable.
Exactly.
Then why don't we say many?
Great question. Many tells us there is a large number.
Okay.
More tells us we want an extra amount.
Oh.
Look at these examples.
I'm ready.
There are many students in this class.
That means the class has a large number of students.
Exactly.
Now use more.
We need more students.
That means we need additional students.
Perfect.
Now I can see the difference.
Excellent.
Can more also work with water?
Yes.
Really?
Yes. We can say, I need more water.
So more works with countable and uncountable nouns.
Exactly.
Wow, that is very useful.
Native speakers use more all the time.
Can we hear it in daily conversations?
Every single day.
Can you give some examples?
Sure.
Let's go.
Can I have more rice?
I need more sleep.
We need more workers.
Please give me more information.
I need more money.
Can we spend more time together?
Excellent examples. Now, let's compare many and much.
Good idea.
Can I say, I have many water?
Almost correct.
Oops.
Water is uncountable.
So I should say, I have much water.
Is that natural?
Good question.
Is it?
Not really.
Really?
In positive sentences, native speakers often use a lot of.
Oh.
Instead of saying, I have much water, they usually say, I have a lot of water.
That sounds much more natural.
Exactly.
So when do people use much?
Very often in questions and negative sentences.
Can you show us?
Of course.
Let's practice. Do you have much money?
No, I don't have much money.
Very good.
Do you drink much coffee?
No, I don't drink much coffee.
Do you have much free time?
No, I don't have much free time.
Now, let's try many.
Great.
Do you have many friends?
Yes, I have many friends.
How many books do you have?
I have many books.
Do you own many shoes?
No, I don't own many shoes.
That sounds easy.
It is.
Let me try some sentences.
Go ahead.
I have much friends.
Almost correct.
What is wrong?
Friends are countable.
So I should say I have many friends.
Got it.
Great job. Another one.
Sure.
I don't have much money.
Almost.
Money is uncountable.
Exactly. So I should say I don't have much money.
Perfect. I think many learners make this mistake.
They do.
But now everyone watching knows the difference.
Exactly.
Let's practice together with our viewers.
Great idea.
Everyone watching, answer before Tom.
Ready?
Here comes the first one.
I have blank books.
Pause the video if you need more time.
The answer is
Many.
correct.
Next one.
Do you have blank time today?
Think carefully.
The answer is
Much.
excellent.
One more.
I need blank help. The answer is
More.
exactly,
This is getting easier.
because you are practicing.
Practice really helps.
Now let's look at sentence patterns.
Good.
For many, we often say subject plus have plus many plus countable noun.
Like, they have many ideas.
Perfect.
He has many cousins.
Excellent.
We saw many birds.
Very nice.
Now much.
A common pattern is do or does plus subject plus have plus much uncountable noun.
Like, do you have much work?
Exactly.
Does she have much experience?
Perfect.
And negative.
Subject plus do not or does not plus have plus much uncountable noun.
I don't have much energy.
Very good.
She doesn't have much patience.
Excellent.
Now more.
A simple pattern is subject plus need or want plus more noun.
I want more tea.
Perfect.
We need more chairs.
Excellent.
They need more practice.
Very good.
Can we use more with adjectives too?
Yes, but we will keep today's lesson focused on nouns because that is what beginners use every day.
That makes learning easier.
Exactly.
Let's practice with shopping.
Great idea.
I am at a fruit shop.
Okay.
Can I say, I need many apples?
Yes, that means you need a large number of apples.
Can I also say, I need more apples?
Yes.
What is the difference?
I need many apples means you need a large number.
Okay.
I need more apples means you already have some apples, but you want additional apples.
Now I understand.
Wonderful. Let's keep going.
I'm learning so much today.
I'm happy to hear that.
Can we practice at a restaurant?
Of course, native speakers use these words all the time in restaurants.
I'll be the customer.
And I'll be the waiter.
Excuse me, can I have more water, please?
Certainly. Here you are.
Can I have more bread, too?
Of course.
Do you have many desserts?
Yes, we have many desserts in the kitchen.
But in daily English, would people say that?
Good question.
What sounds more natural?
Native speakers usually say, we have a lot of orange juice.
So much is correct, but a lot of sounds more natural in positive sentences.
Exactly.
That is a very useful tip.
You will hear a lot of much more often.
Let's try another conversation.
Sure.
This time, let's talk about school.
Great.
Tom, do you have many classes today?
Yes, I have many classes today.
Do you have much homework?
Yes, I have a lot of homework.
Can you also say, I don't have much homework?
Absolutely.
That sounds very natural.
Exactly.
Now let's talk about work.
Good idea.
Tom, do you have much work today?
Yes, I have a lot of work today.
Do you need more workers?
Yes, we need more workers.
Do you have many meetings?
Yes, I have many meetings today.
Now I can hear the difference.
Excellent.
Let's practice during travel.
Perfect.
Excuse me, are there many hotels near the airport?
Yes, there are many hotels.
Is there much traffic today?
Yes, there is a lot of traffic today.
Can I get more information about the bus?
Certainly.
These words really are everywhere.
They really are.
Can we practice on the phone?
Let's do it.
Hello, Tom.
Hi, Anna.
Do you have much time to talk?
Yes, I have a little time.
Can you give me more details about tomorrow?
Of course.
Do many people know about the meeting?
Yes, many people know.
That sounded very natural.
Because these are real daily conversations.
Now let's learn WH questions.
Great idea.
What is a WH question?
A question that starts with words like what, where, when, why, who, which, or how.
Let's begin with how many.
Perfect.
How many books do you have?
I have 20 books.
How many brothers do you have?
I have one brother.
How many students are in your class?
There are 30 students.
Now how much?
Great.
How much water do you drink every day?
I drink about 2 liters.
How much money do you need?
I need $50.
How much sugar do you want?
Just 1 spoon.
So, how many is for countable nouns?
Exactly.
And how much is for uncountable nouns?
Perfect.
Let's do some quick questions for everyone watching.
Great.
Complete the sentence.
How blank apples do you have?
Pause the video.
The answer is
Many.
excellent.
Next one.
How blank milk do you drink?
Think carefully.
The answer is
Much.
perfect.
One more.
I want blank coffee.
The answer?
More.
Fantastic.
You are doing an amazing job.
Now let's look at some common mistakes.
Yes, these mistakes are very common.
I'll make the mistakes.
And I'll help you.
I have much books.
Almost.
What should I say?
I have many books.
Because books are countable.
Exactly.
I don't have many water.
Almost.
The correct sentence is,
I don't have much water.
water is uncountable.
Perfect.
I need many milk.
Not quite.
Should I say, I need more milk?
Exactly.
Or maybe, I need a lot of milk.
That's also correct.
Here's another one.
Go ahead.
Do you have many time?
Almost.
It should be,
Do you have much time?
great.
Let's try another.
There are much people here.
Almost.
There are many people here.
Excellent.
People are countable.
Exactly.
Can we learn an easy memory trick?
Of course.
I love memory tricks.
Think about your fingers.
My fingers?
Yes.
Okay.
Can you count your fingers?
Yes.
Then remember many.
Because fingers are countable.
Exactly.
Now water.
Can you count water?
No.
Then remember much.
Very easy.
Now imagine your glass is almost empty.
Okay.
You ask for
More water.
exactly.
That memory trick is simple.
Simple tricks help you remember faster.
Can we do a small challenge?
Let's do it.
Everyone watching, answer before Tom.
Number 1.
I have blank friends.
The answer is
Many.
correct.
Number 2.
We need blank chairs.
The answer is more.
Excellent.
Number 3.
Do you have blank money?
Much.
Perfect.
Number 4.
There are blank birds in the park.
Many.
Correct.
Number 5.
Please give me blank tea.
More.
Excellent work.
Now let's practice correcting sentences.
I like this activity.
Sentence 1.
I have many rice.
Wrong. Correct sentences?
I have a lot of rice.
Or, I don't have much rice.
Exactly.
Sentence 2.
She has much friends.
Wrong.
Correct sentence is
She has many friends.
perfect.
Sentence 3.
Can I have many coffee?
Wrong.
Correct is
Can I have more coffee?
excellent.
I think our viewers are becoming more confident.
I think so too.
Let's quickly review everything.
Great idea.
We use many with things we can count.
Books, people, apples, cars, students, and chairs.
We use much with things we cannot count easily.
Water, milk, money, sugar, coffee, time, and information.
We use more when we want an extra amount.
More food.
More water.
More friends.
More time.
More practice.
And remember another important tip.
In positive sentences, native speakers often say a lot of instead of much.
That will help your English sound more natural.
Exactly.
Before we finish, we have one last challenge.
Ready?
Say the correct word.
I need blank sleep.
More.
Correct?
Do you have blank homework?
Much.
Perfect.
There are blank shops in the street.
Many.
Excellent.
You did a fantastic job today.
Today you learned the meaning of much, many, and more.
You learned when to use each one.
You learned sentence patterns.
You practiced positive sentences.
Negative sentences.
You practiced questions.
WH questions.
You practiced daily conversations.
Common mistakes.
And easy memory tricks.
Remember this simple rule.
Many equals countable.
Much equals uncountable.
More equals an extra amount.
Keep practicing every day and soon these words will feel natural.
Don't be afraid of making mistakes.
Every mistake is one step closer to speaking English confidently.
Thank you so much for spending your time with us today.
We truly appreciate every one of you.
If this lesson helped you, please give this video a like.
Share with your friends and family who are learning English.
Write your own sentence using much, many, or more in the comments below.
We love reading your comments.
And don't forget to subscribe to English with Tom and Anna.
Turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new English lesson.
Keep learning.
Keep practicing.
Keep smiling.
And we'll see you in the next lesson.
Goodbye, everyone.
Take care and happy English learning.